27 players who participate in a TT tournament are ranked from 1 to 27. Buys are given to top ranked players in the first round in such a manner that there are no more buys in further rounds. Now, when we look at a knockout tournament, if the number of players are in powers of 2, the buys are not required. Otherwise, some players have to be given buys. Now, the power of 2, which is greater than 27, is 32. So, had we started with 32 players, we could have 16 matches in the first round of knockout. 16 players will then face each other in pairs of 2. 8 matches in the second round. 8 winners here will then come to the third round of the quarterfinal. 4 matches here. 4 winners will come to the semi-final. 2 matches here. And finally, the final will have 1 match. But we do not have enough players, so some players need to be given the buys. It says matches, the top players are given the buys. So how many players will need to be given buys? To ensure that there were no buys, I am 5 players short. If there were 32 players, no buys would be required. We have 27 players, and therefore 5 players need to be given buys. The other way of looking at it could be, out of 27, I will give some of the players buys. The rest of the players will play will play in matches of 2, and then I will get the winners. These matches plus the players who have been given buys, they should now become 16 players for round 2, because the power of 2 less than 27 is 16. So for round 2, I need 16 players. So I take out X from 27. The remaining players play, 2 players play 1 match. I get 27 minus X by 2 number of winners. And then the X players who got buys were added to it. This gives me a total of 16. If we solve 27 minus X multiplying by 2 throughout plus 2X is equal to 32. And therefore, as we can see, X will come out to 32 minus 27, which is 5. So 5 players need to be given buys. 22 players will be left. 11 matches will be held. 11 winners, and the 5 people who get buys will play in the next round. Okay, so the match in the first round is such that the highest ranked player, except those who got buys, play with the lowest ranked player. The second highest with the second lowest, and so on. The winner of the first round move to the second round. In the second round, the player ranked 1 plays with the winner of the last match of the first round. Player rank 2 plays with the winner of the second last match of the first round, and so on. An upset is when a lower rank player beats a higher rank player. So what we can do is, we can use this to draw up a table of the likely matches that will happen. What we have figured out is 5 people will get buys in round 1. 22 players will be left, and the 11 matches will be held. Therefore, my sheet would look something like this. In round 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have been given buys. Therefore, the best rated player is 6, the worst rated player is 27. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They will play against 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. In round 2, the top players 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come back, and they will start playing against the winner of the last match. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Last match, second last match, third last match, fourth. And then the process will continue. So 6 will play against 11, 7 against 10, 8 against 9. And if we keep repeating the process and there is no upset, 1 will play against 8 in the quarterfinals, 2 against 7, 3 against 6, 4 against 5. In the semi-final, 1 against 4, 2 against 10. Finally, the final will be 1 against 2. This is when no upset happens. I'll use this table to answer questions going forward. What is the total number of matches in the tournament? Because there are 27 teams, we need to eliminate 26 players. And therefore, one player gets eliminated every match. So 26 matches will be required. We can also add, this is 11 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 10, 21, 25, 26. So 26 matches are required. How many players got a bye in the first round? We calculated this. In round 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 got a bye. And players numbered 6 onwards played the match. So 5 becomes the answer for this question. If the 12th ranked player plays in the semi-finals with the 17th ranked player, what is the minimum number of upsets in the tournament? Now, for the 12th ranked player to reach the semi-final, the 12th ranked player is in round 2. So this round has to be an upset for him. He'll replace 5 here. This round has to be an upset for him. He'll reach the semi-final. So for the 12th ranked player to reach semi-final, he needs 2 upsets. For the 17th one, this match has to be an upset. So 17 reaches here. This match has to be an upset. 17 reaches here. This match has to be an upset. 17 reaches the semi-final. So for 12 and 17 to be able to play the semi-final, 12 needs 2 upsets, 17th needs 3 upsets. So at least 5 upsets are required for this match to happen in the semi-final. If there are exactly 2 upsets in the whole tournament, what is the rank of the lowest seeded player? The 4th ranked seed can play in the semi-finals. In the semi-final, 4 plays against 1. 1 comes from this match and then this match. So what happens is 16 wins against 17, which is not an upset. 16 reaches here. 16 then defeats 1, which is upset number 1. Replaces 1 in the quarterfinal versus 8. Again an upset happens. 16 defeats 8. Upset number 2. Replaces where 1 should have been in the semi-final. And therefore 16 can be playing 4 with only 2 upsets. So the maximum rank that can be against 4 is 16. The 17th ranked player reached the finals. Who amongst the following can reach the finals? 17th. So 17th will defeat 16. 16 cannot reach the finals. Will replace 1 here. 1 cannot reach the final anymore because 17 will defeat 1. 1 did not play a match in round 1, so not a problem. Will replace 1 in quarterfinals. Therefore, 8 cannot go further. 8 had defeated 9 in round 2, so obviously 9 also cannot go further. 8 had defeated 25 in round 1. 9 had defeated 24 in round 1. They also cannot go further. Semi-final, 1 is replaced by 17, defeats 4. 4 cannot go further. 4 defeated 5 in the semi-final, quarter-final. 5 cannot go further. 4 and 5 defeated 13 and 12 in round 2. They cannot go further. 4 and 5 did not play in round 1. 13 defeated 20. 12 defeated 21. So 20 and 21 also cannot go further. From the options, 11 can reach the finals. How it will happen is 11 will defeat 22. 6 and 11. 11 will defeat 6. Replace 6 here. Will defeat 3. Replace 3 here. Defeat 2 will replace 2 here. 17 will replace 1 and 17 and 11 therefore can have the final.